Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Blanca with Creativities Galore, and today we will be making a reading pointer. Let's get started. I started by adding the cardstock to my Cricut Joy mat and let it do its thing. If you like Cricut videos, please make sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos on Cricut. Now I unloaded the first cardstock and now I'm just loading the second one. This one is only going to use 2 colors, so this will be the last thing that my Cricut Joy has to cut out. Now I just have to remove the cardstock from the mat, and I do that by flipping it over and pulling the mat away from the cardstock. Now I'm just going to take away all those little pieces to reveal the image. I ended up going with the Game Boy because my son loves gaming and video games and all that, and he was watching a YouTuber the other day that talked about a Game Boy and he's been obsessed ever since. So I thought this would be perfect for him. I'm just trying to see how the piece is gonna go, and I just have to glue it on. And went a little overboard with the glue there, but it's fine. By the way, I am sorry if you hear my dog snoring in the background. Yeah, that's just how it is. Now I will be getting my popsicle stick. I have some that came painted already, but you could just use a regular popsicle stick and use acrylic paint to change the color. And I am gonna put it on diagonally so that top corner could be used as a pointer. And that's it. I'm done. Now my son will be able to use it to not lose his place while he's reading his book. I also have this free reading log printable on my blog. I'll make sure to link it down below so you can print one out for your kids. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting!